Okay, so once again, we need to, before we can create a fact, we can upload data for the fact cells and the fact cells customer. We need to update the online um, retail stage. And why is that? Because all my keys are new. And when I grab the table from the stage, since my fact table have here foreign key, so you actually had to go and update this first before you can grab the data. It kind of makes sense, right? So the first thing that I need to do is update my stage. So I had the first table that I created is the customer. Okay, here it is stage first one. Okay, so we are updating the online retail stage. Is that the correct retail stage? That's the correct name. And then we actually doing, let's go look at customer columns, customer key. So the K is uppercase, customer key, key. Yep. Copy this. I don't want to make a mistake because if I put lowercase k, so this is Dean customer, and I actually doing an inner join in Dean customer. Okay, perfect. However, I am joined this. See, I have source ID here. So I am joined this Dean customer to the stage through this common denominator, the source ID. So I'm going to use the source ID to say, okay, number one equals number one, number two equals number two, and so forth. Two. Grab this, execute, and actually I was done. Fresh, and if I look here to my stage and I look at the customer key, you can see that the customer key now has been updated. Great. So I had to do that for all my tables. Second one is date, date key, date source ID, date. Oh, 1 second. Date is an uppercase. Okay, uppercase. Okay. If you can use the hints from here, the editor here from the query hints, I'll tell you that. So you can. There you go. The next one is location key. Okay. It is location key. The location. And it is, if I go like this, location key. Location, location, dim location, location. I actually, if you guys don't remember what this location, location. The O is not working now. Okay. So it says that the key from the location is going to be pasted is going to be transported or copied to this location key that is reside in the online retail storage. Oh, wait. I'll paste. I'll give you all of this. Location, product, product. So now is where that source ID comes handy. So I kind of just copy paste. So this is the product, and we updating the product key. Good. The next one is promotion. Promotion key. Promotion key. Okay, so I change it for promotion. And once again, I'm connecting everything through my source ID. Now it makes sense. Doing. And I'll show you all the updated uh, store. So now we need to store. So store for key store. And key. Perfect. Store, source ID done. Okay. Store. Now we updated everything. Give me a sec, because I want to give you this. And say up. All right, so I updated. I will give you the query. So now you have all the tables updated. You updated only the dimensions. There's the dimension keys. Sorry. If you go here and you look at all of the keys had been updated. The only one who has not been updated is the cells. And obviously because I have not created the cells yet. Oh, actually I put the data without it. I did a mistake. But I'll fix it in a minute. All right. So now that I have updated everything, I'm going to grab all this data and I'm going to dump in the sales table. Okay. Still there.